Good morning, dear students. My name is Shashank Verma, and today I am going to discuss class 6, chapter 3, that is playing with numbers. And student, this is part 3. So, in previous parts, part 1, part 2, we discussed some concept, test of divisibility, prime, co-prime. Okay, lots of things we discussed. And in this video, we will discuss some questions. Clear, student? So, first we will start from NCERT. NCERT exercise 3.1. Okay, everyone. First, we will start NCERT 3.1. So now, first question is given, student. I will explain some question. On the basis of this, you will do all the question. Clear, students? Okay. So now, the question is 3.1. The first question is given, student. Write all factors of the following. All factors. Write all factors. You know that one question is given like 24. You have to write on all factors of 24. You know that 24 divisible by 1, 2, 3, 4, okay, 6, 12 or 24. Clear, student? So 24 is divisible by 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12, 24. Okay. Acha, what is the difference between factors and multiples, student? Factors means the number which divide the number totally. Clear? Or multiple means I explain na, जैसे it is 15 equal to 3 multiplied by 5. Clear, student? So 3 and 5 are what? 3 and 5 are the factors of 15 because they divide 15 properly. Okay, student? And 15 is what? 15 is the multiple of 3 and 5 because 15 will come in both the table of 3 and table of 5. Yani 24 is the multiple and these are the factors. Okay, student? Okay. So now first question is given, you have to find out factors. So factors done. Now second question is given, student. Second question is given. Write first 5 multiples. Multiple you have to write down. Clear, student? Multiples. Multiples, you know that means table. Jैसे multiple of 5, student. You will write down what? 5 1 5. You will start from initial. 5 1 5. 5 2 10. 5 3 15. 5 4 20. 5 5 25. Clear, student? So these are the 5 multiples. These are the 5 multiple. Multiple means, student, only you have to write down table. This is question number second. Third question is the match the following. You will do yourself, student, and rest of them question you will do yourself. Now move to the exercise 3.2. Exercise 3.2. In student exercise 3.2, it is given what is the sum of any two. See, student, first question is given what is the sum of any two odd number. Sum of any two odd number. Okay, everyone. Odd number, you know that. For example, I am taking 3 is odd and 5 is odd. 3 and 5 is student odd. Clear? 3 and 5 is what? 8. 3 and 5 8. Another example, student, 5 and 7 I am taking. 5 and 7 equal to 12. Clear, student? So what is the conclusion? The sum of any two odd number equal to even number. Yani you will write down sum of any two odd number will be equal to an even number. Is that clear, everyone? The sum of any two odd number will be equal to an even number. Clear, student? So this is about odd number. Okay. Now next thing is that student. Now next question is that even number. Sum of any two even number. It is given sum of any two even number. Sum of any two even number. This is next question. Sum of any two even number. Clear, student? This is B part. What is this, student? Even number, you know that even number जैसे I am going to write 2 and 4. So this is 6. Okay? 4 and 6. This is 10. Yani sum of any two even number is also even number. Yani sum of any two even number is always an even number. Clear everyone? Ki sum of any two even number equal to even, sum of any two odd number equal to odd number. Clear everyone? Okay. So now move to the next question. Our next question is given true false student. True false you will do yourself. Now question number third. Question number third is given student. See everyone. The number 13. See question number second is given. Third question is given. What is given in the question student? The number 13 and 31 are the prime number. 13 and 31 are prime. Everyone know how to prime? How they are prime? Prime means they have only one common factor. मतलब two common factor, 1 and number itself. So 13, 1 and 13. 31 also student 1 and 13. Is that clear everyone? Up next is given कि both these number have same digit 1 and 3. Find such pair of prime number up to 100. देखो both have same digit 1 and 3, 1 and 3. Clear? So one example I will give. Next you will do yourself. One example I can write down 1, 7, 71. Another thing is that 71. See, this is 1 and 7. This is 7 and 1. मतलब both are same 1 and 7, 1 and 7. And this is also a prime number because factor is 117. Or this is also a prime number. Factor is 1 and 17. Clear student? So rest of number you will find out yourself. You have to find out in between 100, 1 to 100. Clear everyone? 113 given, one example I given, this one, and next you will find out yourself. Clear everyone? This is our third question. This is the explanation of third question. Now next question, write down separately the prime and the composite number less than 20. Prime number, composite number, everyone know कि prime number only have two factors and composite more than two factors. So you will do yourself. What is the greatest prime number between 1 and 10 student? Greatest prime number between 1 and 10. 1 and 10. Greatest prime number everyone know? What is the greatest prime number? Prime number having only two factors. ठीक है ना? Number and 1 and number itself. So 7 I think. 7 will be the correct answer because if you will take 9, so 9 having factor 1, 3, 9. This is not a prime number. This is the composite number. So the greatest prime number between 1 and 10 is 7. Now, you can also check this one. Next question is given student. Express the following as the sum of two odd prime. 6. Sum of two odd prime. You have to do this question very carefully. Sum of two odd prime. Odd number should be odd, number should be prime. The first is given student 44. 44 is given student. So you have to break the number in two parts such that the number should be odd and number should be prime. So here I can write down student 31 plus 3. I can write down student now. See, 31 is the odd and prime, 3 is odd and prime. Or what you can write down student, I think 37 and 7 also I can write down. Okay student, this is 31 and 13 it will be there. No? 31 and 13 because 31 314 314 or 37 plus 7. These are also the example of sum of two odd prime. Okay student, so 44 you can write down like that, or if any other possibility is there you can also write down. So this is question number 6 student. Now move to the question number 7. Or rest of them questions number 6 you will do yourself. 7. Give 3 pairs of prime number whose difference is 2. 3 pair of prime number whose difference is 2. Clear student? So try to solve this question. So next question is given student. Give 3 prime number whose difference is 2. Difference is 2. Prime number whose difference is 2. Number should be prime, difference should be 2. So you can write down 3 and 5. 3 and 5. See, 3 and 5 are prime and difference is 2. 5 minus 3, 2. 7 and 5 you can write down. 5 and 7 you can write down. 5 and 7 you can write down student. 5 and 7. Or when you have to find out difference, to 7 minus 5, 2 it will come. And next pair you will find out yourself. Next pair, 3 pair is going on. 3 pair is requirement of the question. I written 2 pair. Next pair you will write down yourself. Clear student? Now next is question number 8. Which of the following are prime? So it is very easy. You can also find out which one is prime. Now ninth question. Write 7 consecutive composite number less than 100. You will do yourself consecutive composite number. You know that. You will find out. Next question number 10 student, it is given. Express each of the following number as the sum of 3 odd prime. See student, 3 odd prime. You have to write down in 3 odd prime. It is given 21. 21 is given, my student. Of how 21 you will write down? 21 how you will write down? 21 I can write down 3. 3 is odd and prime. 5 is also odd and prime. Okay, 5 plus 3, 8. Or what you can write down? 13. See, 3 is prime and odd, 5 is prime and odd, 13 is prime and odd. So these are the sum of 3 odd prime. Clear student? Or next question 31, 53, 61 is given. So you will do yourself. Clear everyone? This is very easy question. Now move to the 11th question. Question 11 is given student. 11 is given. Write the 5 pair of prime number less than 20 whose sum is divisible by 5. Yani sum is divisible by 5. You have to write down the pair, okay, less than 20 and sum is divisible by 5. So see student, one pair is given 3 and 7. One pair is given 3 and 7 and next pair you have to find out. So next pair you can find out very easily. How you will find out, student? How you will find out? So see student, one example is given 3 plus 7. 3 plus 7 equal to 10. Okay, this is divisible by 5 and they are prime number. Okay. Next I can write down 2 and 13. 2 and 13. I can write down because 2 is prime, 13 is prime, or the sum is 15 and sum is divisible by 5. Clear student? So you will make the next pair. One pair I explained. This is 2 and 13 and next pair you will do yourself. Clear? And the pair should be the number should be the less than 20. Okay student? So next question is fill the blanks. You will do yourself. Now come to the 3.3 student. 3.3 is given the test of divisibility. You have to check the test of divisibility. Now test of divisibility I explained lots of things in this. Many example I given. So I will solve. One is some question. So question number second is given like question number second is given. Using divisibility test determine which of the number is divisible by 4 and 8. So one example I am going to take like 572. Acha, I will go the proper explanation and you have to write down in the copy with the same with the each question. Up see student, test of divisibility of 4 you have to check. So divisibility by 4 you have to check. So first you will write down what is the test of divisibility of 4. The last 2 digits should be divisible by 4. You will write down last 2 digit is 72. Clear? Which is I know 72 is divisible by 4. If you don't know, so you can divide and see which is divisible by 4. Okay student? So 572 is divisible by 4. This is the proper explanation student. You have to write down like that. अब student it is given you have to also check the test of divisibility by 8. Test of divisibility by 8. So 8 you know that 8 for 8 you will write down कि last 3 digit is what student? Last 3 digit is 572. 572. अब now 572. अब you have to check this is divisible by 8 or not. So 8 7 ja 56. Carry 1. If 12 remains. So 8 1 ja 8. It is not divisible. So you will write down last 3 digit is 572. That is not divisible by 8. Okay everyone, you know that. So you will write down so the number is the number is divisible by 4 but not 8. Clear everyone? Ki number last 2 digit is divisible by 4, so number is divisible by 4, and last 3 digit is not divisible by 8, so number is not divisible by 8. Clear everyone? So now student, in previous we discussed ki number is divisible by 4 and number is not divisible by 8. Now next question I am going to explain student, question number 4. That is very important type. The test of divisibility by 11, and question I am going to write down 9 0 11 5 3 11 5 3. Clear student? Ab now how to check the test of divisibility by 11? It is given question number 4, test of divisibility by 11 you have to check. You will mark 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, this is the process. Now you will write down sum of odd places. So sum of odd student, odd 5 you will mark 3 1. Clear student? These are the number which is given on odd place. Now next is you will write down 0 plus 1 plus 3. So this will come student what? 3 plus 1 4. Okay. Now next is sum of even. Next thing, sum of even student. Okay student. Now sum of even, what is given student? You will write down 9. See, on the even place 6 on the place of 6 it is 9. 1 4. So next is 5. So 9 plus 1 10, 10 plus 5 15. Okay student. Now next is you have to find out difference. Difference. अब difference is equal to what student? 15 minus 4 is equal to 11. अब you know that what is the definition of the test of divisibility by 11 student? If the difference is 0, are the multiple of 11. 11 is the multiple of 11 na? Because in the table of 11 will come. So number is divisible by what? 11. So you will write down ki yes, number is divisible by 11. Why divisible by 11 student? Because here difference is 11. If difference is 0 are the multiple of 11, you will write down the number is divisible by 11. You can also write down ki difference is 11, which is the multiple of 11. So the number is divisible by 11. Clear student? So this also you can write down. Okay. So now this is the test of divisibility by 11 student. Now the next question is also based on pattern. Just a test of divisibility by 6. So you will write down. Now come on exercise 3.4. Rest of question you will do yourself student. Now exercise 3.4 I am going to discuss. 3.4. This is 3.4. 3.4 it is given student. Common factor 1. A. You have to find out what common factor of 20 and 28. Common factor of 20 and 28. You have to find out the student. Okay. So how you will find out common factor? So student, you have to find out common factor of 20 and 28. You will write down 20. What are the factors of 20? You know that 1, 2, 4, 5. Okay. Matlab which divide the 20 properly. 10 or 20. This is the common factor. Factors. Now next 28 student you will write down 1, 2, 4, okay, 7, 14 and 28. Clear student? What is the common? See, if I am writing, you will write down common factor. Common factor equal to what? 1 is coming in both, 2 is coming in both, 4 is coming in both. Okay student? The common factor of 20, 28 equal to 1, 2 and 4. Clear student? This is very easy question. Only you have to see which is common and you have to write down. Okay everyone? Okay. So now next thing is that also find the common factor of 3 numbers are given. So you will find out. Now third question. First find the first 3 common multiple of 6 and 8. Now you have to find out first 3 common multiple of 6 and 8. Question number third. First 3 common multiple of 3 and 8. 3 and 8 is given? No, 6 and 8. Sorry student, 6 and 8 is given. 6 and 8. Clear student? Up what you have to do student? Multiple you have to find out. So table you have to write down. Table. So write down 6 here I am writing. 6 1 ja 6, 6 2 ja 12, 6 3 ja 18, 6 4 ja 24, 6 5 ja 30, 6 6 ja 36, 6 7 ja 42 और 6 8 ja 48, फिर 6 9 ja 54, 6 10 ja 60. अब now I am going to write down 8. See anything is common or not. 8 1 ja 8, 8 2 ja 16, 8 3 ja 24, 8 4 ja 32, 8 5 ja 40, 8 6 ja 48, फिर 8 7 ja 56, 8 8 ja 64. See फिर 8 9 ja 72, 8 10 ja 80. अच्छा स्टूडेंट, what is the common factor is coming? See 24 is one common factor I find out. 48 find out. 48 find out, or rest nothing is find out. Next, so further you have to write down again. 6 10 ja 60, 6 11 ja 66, 6 12 ja 72. Now here see student, here 72 and 72. Clear? So you have to write down the table till you have to find out the common factor, common multiple. Now you will write down common multiple, yani CM. You will write down common multiple. Common multiple of 6 and 8 is equal to what student? First is 24, 48 and what is 72. Clear student? These are the common multiple of 6 and 8. So by this you will find out. Clear student? Now next question is given. Fourth question. Write all the number less than 100 which are common multiple of 3 and 4. So common multiple of 3 and 4 student means common multiple of 12. So you will find out. This is very easy question. You will find out. Now come on question number. Next question is given. Question number 5. See what is given. Question number 5 student. 5 which of the following are co-prime? Now everyone know co-prime. What is co-prime student? Co-prime. I think I explained lots of time. Co-prime means whose common factor is only 1. Clear student? Whose common factor is only 1. 1 as a common factor. So they are known as co-prime. Clear student? For example, here I am going to take question A. It is given 18 and 35. So student, 18, what is the factor of 18 student? 18 you can write down what? 1, 3, 6, 9, 18. You can write down 18. 1, 3, 6, 9, 18. Now here you can write down 1, 5, 7, 35. What is the definition of co-prime student? What is the definition of co-prime? Having only one as a common factor. Having only one as a common factor. So see student, only one as a common factor. So only one is a common factor in this. We will write down yes. Yes, they are what? Co-prime. If anyone asks you why they are co-prime, what is the reason? So you will write down, you will say here the common factor is only one, nothing else. So they are the what? They are the co-prime, and rest of question you will write down, you will do yourself. Clear? Lots of questions are given like 15 and 37, 13 and 415. Clear student? Now next question you will solve. Next question I am going to solve student. What is given? A number is divisible by both 5 and 12. By which number? Always divisible. See, a number is divisible by 5 and 12. See, it is a number is divisible by 5 and 12. So by other number which is divisible. So student, if number is divisible by 5 and 12 na, yani it is also divisible by multiple of 5 and 12, yani 60. ठीक है ना? For example, if a number is divisible by 3 and 4, so what other number it will divisible? So it will also divisible by its multiple, yani 12. Similarly student, a number is divisible by 5 and 12, so it is also divisible by its multiple, that is 5 and 12, 5 multiplied by 12, it means 60. Clear everyone? So this is the question number 6. Any question based on this you can solve like that. if the number is divisible by any number, so it is also divisible by its multiple. मतलब is multiplication. Now next question, a number is divisible by 12 by what other number divisible by? So if number is divisible by 12, so also divisible by its factor. अब you will find out factor, then you will do this question. Clear student? Okay. So now, next is given student exercise 3.5 true false, and some tree question is given which I explain student, like 3.4 exercise. This is 3.4. जैसे 60 is given ना student, 60 is given, so you have to do the tree method. So how you will do? You will write down. What you will write down? You can write down 10 multiplied by 6. Of 10 student, what you can write down? 2 multiplied by 5. Or 6, what you can write down student? 2 multiplied by 3. That multiply sign is there. So this method is given in your book. Due to this I explained. But if it is written use prime factorization, use division method, you have to use that method. Clear student? Okay. Now question is given. Question number 2 I explain. Question number 2. This is the question number 2. One is true false. So you will do yourself. Now third question. Which factors are not included in the prime factorization of a composite number? Which factor is not included in the prime factorization of a composite number? So first you will find out the prime factorization of a composite number. Then you will find out which factor, which it is given what, which factors are not included. Then you will find out which factors are not included. You will solve this question yourself because I give the explanation in the online class. ठीक है ना? This is very easy question. First you will find out the prime factorization of any composite number. Then you will find out your answer yourself. Clear student? Okay. Now next question. Write the greatest 4-digit number and express in terms of prime factors. Okay. Now this question I am going to explain. What is given? Question number 4th. Greatest 4-digit number. अब you know that कि greatest 4-digit number. Greatest 4-digit number everyone know. What is the greatest 4-digit number student? 9999. अब you have to do the prime factorization. So no method is given, so I am going to do with the division method. So 3 3 ja 9, 3 3 ja 9, 3 3 ja 9, 3 3 ja 9. Okay. Now 3 1 ja 3, 3 1 ja 3, 3 1 ja 3, 3 1 ja 3. Clear? फिर 11 1 ja 11. फिर 2 digits are given, so you will put 1 0. 11 1 ja 11. Again student 101 1 ja 101. So what is the prime factorization of 9990 student? It is 9999 equal to 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 11 multiplied by 101. So this is our prime factorization of 9999. Clear student? So if any prime factorization you have to do, you will follow the same step. Clear student? Okay. So now next question is given student based on same pattern. Write the smallest 5-digit number and express in the term of prime factorization. You will do yourself. Clear student? So now student, in this video we discussed 3.4. In next video we will discuss the next exercises. Clear student? No, in this video we discuss still exercise 3.5. This is exercise 3.5. So we started 3.5. In next video we will discuss the some other question. Clear students? Thank you.